Our small pulse fiber laser cleaning machine is widely used in industrial maintenance, removing rust, paint, and other coatings from the metal surface to extend their lifespan. It can also clean wood, brick, concrete. Pulse fibers cleaning machine will be used for home restoration project and auto parts restoration project. Machine working voltage is AC 220 volts, single phase, null line, live line, and ground wire. The oil-water separator pressure gauge needs to be opened and the air pipe connected to the air compressor before starting the machine. Switch on the machine, press the laser power button, then select from its cleaning modes. Configure the parameters according to cleaning requirements: size X, size Y, power, frequency, pulse width, and swing type. Applications in auto parts restoration. Targets rust layers on body panels, chassis, engine blocks, or exhaust systems without damaging the base metal. Removes old paint, primers, or powder coatings, layer by layer. Vaporizes organic contaminants from engine components, transmissions, or undercarriages without solvents. The pulsed laser cleaner operates based on high-frequency pulsed laser technology. When the laser beam shines on the object's surface, the contaminants absorb the laser energy, rapidly heat up, and are converted into steam or small particles hitting off of the object surface. It can provide delicate cleaning care for various materials, including metal, wood, stone, and ceramics. The advantages of laser cleaning are remarkable. Unlike sandblasting or chemical cleaning, it is non-abrasive, preserving the material's integrity. It's eco-friendly, eliminating hazardous chemicals, which improves the workplace safety. The high precision allows for selective cleaning of small areas. Laser cleaning systems are durable and require little maintenance. Being cost-effective in the long run, advanced systems can be integrated with robotic arms for automated cleaning, increasing efficiency.
là nó muốn thủ ra phở